Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be doing a takeoff. United 442 will be taking off from a new airport that I made. Alright, let's get going. Alright, push back. It will be taking off from 16R. Here we go. It's taxiing right now. So if you don't know what taxiing means, basically means that the plane is moving to the runway so you can take off. It's taxiing to the runway. Now this isn't a big airport, guys. It's not that big of an airport. Sorry that I couldn't make it any bigger. It's just because I don't have that much wood at the moment, but I'm trying to make it as best as I can. 3, 2, 1. Toe gear.